Hello everyone, hope everybody well. So I'm going to back with another video. This video is going to be very interesting and it's easy. So I'm going to design another section that's called COVID-19 protocol. We hope everybody know COVID is gone. I hope properly. So let's go to the Photoshop and let's see. We have a section. This is the COVID-19 protocol section, and also we have one section, one row, and this is the second row. But first we need one row, three column, because of first is image column, second is text column, third is image column, and last column for fourth column you can orb. Second row just need one text image, one images, so it's easy. So let's go. First of all, create a section. So create a section and go to the widget and click the inner section and drop here and duplicate the section, column, and it's made properly. Okay, so let's go to the image and drop the image widget and drop here and choose the first image. Our first image is table 1 png and second image is table 2. Okay, we need to text. First need heading text and second need, I think, okay, everything is heading and button. Button, here button. So copy and duplicate. So copy the text, COVID-19 protocol. I'm going to copy the text. Okay, copy and paste here, and let's see what is our color. This is our color, text color, and copy and change the text color. I change the text color and also change typography. Let's see what is typography. Typography is the again, let's see, Montserrat regular. So let's see, there is have Montserrat regular font. Okay, Montserrat, we have a Montserrat, and weight is 40, means regular. So, and I think type of image size is 40 is 30 is okay. Before change the HTML tag, I'm going to change is 3. It's okay, and click the center. Okay, second, go to setting heading and select the text we care about. Okay, the text type of font family is fair display. Change the text and let's see is typography here. Fair display. Okay, here is the typography and it's black, but fair display black, but we haven't, so we have just fair. So that's why I choose this family. Okay, change the text color. Text color is dark blue. You can whatever called. Okay, change the font size 50, weight is bold 700, and perfect. Okay, and change the button text weight more. Okay, click the choose the color, bottom color, background color, and change the background color. Background color is this color. Sorry, it doesn't copy. Yeah, I think right now it was copied and it's okay. Okay, and choose the text color. This is the text color. Okay, this is the text color. Perfect. And we need the background radius, border radius 30. Let's see 30, not 30, 20 is okay. I think okay, 20 is okay. And let's go to rise fading, some fading. Okay, before align center and fading top 20, bottom 20, right 30, left 30. Okay, and change the again border, top 50, 15, and bottom 15. Okay, and right 25, left 25. Perfect. And change the border radius 30. Perfect. Okay, and change the first column width. I stay 20, third column 20, and middle column 60. Perfect. And second heading alignment center, everything is center. Perfect. Okay, let's change the background, section background. Okay, section background color, select the background color and choose the color and paste the color code. Okay, perfect. And need some fading, top and bottom fading, top 100, 150, and bottom 100. Let's see. Okay, perfect. And then we need image, and select the image. What image need? This image. Perfect. This is our image, and change the image as fading, fading or margin, whatever. I'm going to margin top 20. Perfect. Sorry. Top 10, 20 is okay. Okay, perfect. This is our COVID-19 protocol section, and let's see our tablet and mobile view is responsive. Mobile views, tablet view responsive, and mobile view. Okay, mobile view is not proper responsive, so we have to fix the proper. So we just need to delete this image, first and last column image. So just hide the first tablet, for mobile responsive, hide mobile, and last column responsive, hide. And let's see. Okay, it's perfect. And we can change the heading text font width sorry, font size 40. Okay, and it's perfect, everything is perfect. And this image I want to stay here, so I don't want to delete. It's showing good. Okay, everything is dynamic perfectly, and this is our COVID-19 text, sorry, COVID-19 protocol section, and it's looking good, perfect. So hopefully you understand how to design. So next time I am going to back with another video, another section design, with another section design. So thank you.